Introducing the Realme 16 Pro Plus, the 200-megapixel portrait master. Experience visual perfection with the 144Hz AMOLED display. Ultra-smooth motion and stunning color clarity make every swipe feel cinematic. With up to 6,500 nits peak brightness, your screen stays vivid, even in direct sunlight. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, this processor delivers flagship-level speed and smooth performance. Enjoy lag-free gaming and seamless multitasking, with 5G connectivity and power-boosted architecture for a responsive, effortless experience. The massive 7,000 mAh Titan battery delivers all-day power, keeping you gaming, streaming, and chatting longer. IP69 Pro-level water resistance with IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K certification. Capture every detail with the 200-megapixel Luma color camera. Zoom closer with powerful telephoto clarity, and frame more with the 115.5 degrees ultra-wide lens. One camera system. Endless creativity. Capture every detail with the 50-megapixel selfie camera. Natural skin tones, sharp clarity, and perfect lighting. So every selfie looks flawlessly you. Designed for power, built for photography. Realme 16 Pro Plus. Thanks for watching. The 200-megapixel Portrait Master is here. Link in below if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind, where tech meets power.